Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X4 GT, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. After a moment, you should see a POCO logo on the screen, at which point you will want to let go of just the power key. There we go. But you want to keep holding volume up. After a brief moment, you should be redirected to the recovery mode. There we go. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And with that in mind, we can do only a couple different things in here. So we can reboot the device, which is, in other words, leaving this mode. We can wipe data, which contains, I believe, factory reset, and that's about it. And next thing is we can connect with Mi Assistant, just an application, the computer, and we can put the device into safe mode. So that's basically all the options we have here. So I'm now gonna leave this mode by sticking with the first one, reboot, confirming that, and reboot to system, which will then obviously take me back to the Android system. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.